How to fix TRUSTEER Rapport for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script to uninstall TRUSTEER Rapport on a Mac. #bin/bash #stop the TRUSTEER Rapport service if it's running if LaunchCtl grep com.trusteer.rapport /dev/null, then echo stopping TRUSTEER Rapport service sudo LaunchCtl unload /library /LaunchDaemons com.trusteer.rooks.rooksrv.plist. #remove the TRUSTEER Rapport application and related files echo removing TRUSTEER Rapport sudo rmrf/application /trusteer /endpoint /protection.app sudo rmrf /library /internet /plugin TRPlugin.bundle sudo rmrf /library /LaunchDaemons com.trusteer.rooks.rookserv.plist. sudo rmrf /library /LaunchAgents com.trusteer.rooks.rooksd.plist. sudo rmrf /library /application /support com.trusteer.rooks/ sudo rmrf /library /framework /rapport.framework sudo pkgutil forget com.trusteer.rapport. Echo TRUSTEER Rapport has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. It checks if the TRUSTEER Rapport service is currently running and stops it if it is. It removes the TRUSTEER Rapport application from the applications folder. It removes the TRUSTEER Rapport related files from the system library folder. It uses pkgutil to forget the package com.trusteer.rapport, which removes any references to it from the system. To use this script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_trusteer_rapport.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_trusteer_rapport.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_trusteer_rapport.sh. Note that you'll need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove the TRUSTEER Rapport application and related files. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.